Click on the link to access over 50 free workout programs to help you lose weight, tone, sculpt, get and stay fit. Whatever your goals may be, we've got you covered.
Hi, I'm Josephine here with GymRa. We have another amazing 5-minute workout for you. It's cardio HIIT with core, okay? Each move's 40 seconds. We got 8 moves. Make sure you warm up. If you need to modify, march in place, but keep moving, okay? We're gonna start with our first exercise, 40 seconds. It's a squat jump. So touch down, jump up, squat, bend your knees, and jump high. Great job. If you need to modify, just do a basic squat down and squat up, or touch the ground and reach up. Otherwise, you're more advanced. You want to get your heart rate up. Go ahead and touch down, jump it up. Get as high as you can. Great work. Last 2. Good, great job. Next move, we're gonna do a plank. So come onto your hands with one leg out and up for 20 seconds, starting with the right leg. So go out, up, out, and down. Out, up, out, and down. Good, keep the core tight. Back flat, no teepee hips, right? Good, squeeze that glute, squeeze the core. 20 seconds each side. Out, up. Good, and switch. Good. And down. Go out, up, out, down. Good. Keep the hips level. It's a tough move. You'll feel it in the glute too, because you got to squeeze your glute. Suck the belly button to the spine. Good. Nice work. Come on back up for your cardio move. We're gonna jump side to side. It's a 180 squat jump. Good, side to side. Good, get low, bend your knees. And hop in the middle. If it's too much, modify, pivot, come to the other side, squat, and pivot. This is your workout. You're more advanced. It's only 40 seconds. Bend, hop, get low. Nice work. Almost there. Great job. Next move. Come on down. It's a reverse plank. So reverse plank with your leg up. Alternate. Up. Good. If you're more advanced, keep the legs straight. Right and left. You need to modify. Bend. Right. Left, but tabletop. More advanced. Great work. Core tight. Get that leg up. Great core workout. Feel it in the back of the legs too. Nice work. 40 seconds of fast feet. Let's go. Keep the core tight, light on the balls of the feet. That football run. Good. This really gets your heart rate up. If you're feeling fancy, you can go side, front, side, or just stay right in the middle. Again, if it's too much, modify, march in place, or jog. But keep moving. Almost there. Good work. Keep going. Come on. Don't give up on me. Nice work. Next thing, back to our plank hold. This time 20 seconds each side. We just go straight out and tap back. Straight out, tap back. Make sure core is tight, hips are level. 20 seconds each side. You will feel this in the legs as well. Good. Good, 20 seconds. Good, switch. Side, tap it back. side tap. Keep the hips level. Squeeze the glutes. Belly button to spine. Great job. Good. Next plyo move, we're going to go into our skaters. Skating side to side. Good. Bend the back knee, get low. If you need to modify, curtsy lunge. No hop, just modify. It's your workout. Take out the hop. Otherwise, get low and keep it moving. Almost there. Great job. Next move, back to the plank, the core. You're here. You're gonna go over, side, alternate. Over, side. Keep your hips level, glutes level. You tap, bring it over. Tap, bring it over the other leg, other side. This is a full body workout. Focused on core, but tap together. Tap it over, other side. And you're done. Great job. Good workout. Hope your core is burning and you're feeling good. See you next time.
I want to invite you to join one of 50 free workout programs at GymRa.com. You're never going to get bored and you'll have enough workouts to keep you busy for years to come. I know that's exciting. You'll never hit that workout plateau. Let me show you a little bit about what you can expect. When you sign up for a free account on GymRa.com, you'll be asked whether you'd like to be assigned a program based on several basic questions about your fitness level and goals. If you'd rather browse the programs and weigh your options, click on No, I do not want any programs. Head to the Programs tab and scroll to find a program that fits your needs. As you can see, we cover everything from weight loss to toning and sculpting, yoga, Pilates, abs, lower body, upper body, we have it all. Now let me show you how the programs work. If you've chosen to be on a program, when you log into GymRa.com, you'll be directed to the My Program page featuring your workout of the day. All you have to do is press play and start exercising. To see details about the workout, click on More Info. The animated GIFs below are the individual moves in the routine. Here you can see your workout at a glance. You also have access to your personalized weekly and monthly calendar. You can change your program by clicking on the Change Program button. Simply click on See All, then select your desired program. Watch the introduction video and check out the details by scrolling down the page. If the program looks like a good fit for you, then simply click on Switch to this program and you're all set. Your new program will start automatically. If you're unable to do the workout, save it for later by clicking on the plus button next to the title. This adds it to my list. I want to thank you for choosing GymRa. I know you have a lot of options. We've spent so much time and effort here to bring you world-class trainers, a huge variety of workouts, and it's all for free. So thanks again for joining me. I hope you enjoy the free workout programs, and we'll see you soon.